In this video, we'll be looking for Vlookup with approximate match, the meaning of 0 and 1, the fourth parameter in the Vlookup. Let's see that what it is. For explanation, I've written some dummy data here. That is, if you see, I have sales amount, category and commission. Suppose there's an employee working in a company, and if he does a sales of, let's say, $2,000, he'll get a commission of, let's say, $40, and the category belongs to OK category. Similarly, if I do a sales of, let's say, $5,000, I'll get a commission of $500 and very good as the category. But in a company, it's not exactly like people will do a sales of $5,000. He might do a sales of $4,500 or let's say $2,500. So what category he will fall under? So let's see how we can calculate. So at the bottom, I've written here a function. I've written here sales done. If sales done by a person is this much, what is the commission paid? So let's see how we can do it with a Vlookup approximate match. So I'll write here a function as equal to Vlookup. Lookup value, comma. My table will start from this place because this lookup value should belong to the first column of the table array, comma. And I have something here, column index number. With respect to table, I have first, second and third, 3, comma. Now, instead of 0, I'll put here answer as 1 because I want to find out the approximate, what is the answer, and I'll press enter. So it says for $1,000, there's no commission, that is 0, right? 0. So let's see what is the difference. I'll just type here as 2000. So for 2000, the answer it gives as 40, which is absolutely correct. If I do a sales of, let's say, $5,000, I'll get the commission as 500. What if a person does sales less than 500? If I do a sales less than 500, let's say $4,500, and I press enter. So let's see, if I do a sales of 4,500, I'm getting a commission of $200. So if you do even a single sale less than this 5,000, it goes up and you'll get the amount as $200. Similarly, if I do a sales less than $3,000, 2,500. Now if I press enter, what I'll get is I'll get a commission of $40. I'll press enter. So you see there's a $40. If I do a sales less than 2,000, that is, let's say 1,000, and press enter. So less than 1,000 if you do, I'll get a commission of $0. So approximate match is used to give the approximate answers nearby somewhere. So let's see how much you'll get a commission of $40. So you'll get a commission of $40 if you do a sales of $2,000 to $2,099. That is $2,000 to $2,999. So if you see on the left hand side, I've written here, if you do a sales of 2,000 and less than 3,000, that is 2,999. So you'll get a commission of how much? $40. So on the left hand side, there's an explanation given, and these are the amount you'll get it. Now it has some rules given here. For example, if I change it to, let's say, $10, yeah. If I do a sales of less than the first one, if I do a sales of less than $10, if I do a sales of $2, what is the answer I'll get is, I'll get the answer as not available because it's nothing about that. So if you see the first one, less than the first value in the lookup column displays value as not available. Second is, in this lookup value column, I can only have the numbers, I cannot have the text. So how it should be, this numbers in the first lookup column should be sorted in the ascending to descending order. You cannot write a text here, but you have to write numbers, and that too in ascending to descending order. Next one is, if I type here $2,000, I'm getting the answer as 40, which is absolutely correct. Now if I remove this parameter, instead of 1, if I remove this parameter, the fourth argument, if you see, it's a range lookup that's in the square brackets. If I remove that, what is the answer I'll get is, I'll get the answer still the same. So by default, if you forget the argument in this, it will consider as it an approximate match. So I've written here, leaving fourth argument blank makes it as approximate match. So even if you don't write, it's still the approximate match. So I hope these are the rules and how we can go with Vlookup with approximate match. So that's all for this video. Thank you.